If you've ever tried creating multi-page documents in Canva and felt stuck figuring out how to control where one page ends and the next begins, this guide is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to add page breaks in Canva Documents so your layouts look intentional, clean, and professional. Start by opening the Canva document you want to work on. Make sure you're logged in, then head to the project where you want more control over the layout. Take a quick look through your pages and decide where you'd like the new page to begin. Thinking in sections makes the whole process smoother and your final design more polished. Once you've chosen the spot, look for the small plus icon. This may appear either in the toolbar or at the bottom of the page depending on your device or Canva's current layout. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is where Canva lets you add new elements, including completely new pages. A menu will pop up, and among the options there should be one labeled Page Break. Click it, and Canva will instantly create a new page starting from the point you selected. Anything after that point gets shifted to the new page automatically. No need to drag each element around manually. Keep in mind that Canva updates its interface from time to time, so the location of the option might look a little different. If you don't see Page Break right away, scroll through the menu or check other sections. You'll still have access to the same function. After inserting the break, take a moment to check how your content flows before and after it. Make sure everything reads smoothly and sits where you intended. If something feels off, you can always rearrange elements or tweak spacing to get it just right. And that's all it takes. Adding page breaks is a simple move that makes a huge difference, especially when you're working on ebooks, multi-page presentations, proposals, or any document where structure matters. It keeps your design clean and ensures your content appears exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helped you feel more confident using Canva, stick around for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.